How to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen. So firstly, open any web browser in your device. You can open any web browser in your device. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. After opening your browser, then go to the search bar and type in netflix.com. Then you will land to a page like this. From here you can log into your account. But before that, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. After clicking it, then this kind of drop down menu will open. Now from here, select the option Settings. In Settings, you need to turn off the option Use Hardware Acceleration. You can search that option in the setting menu, or you can even go to the search bar and type in hardware. After that, these options will pop up. From here, simply disable the option Hardware Acceleration. Then open Discord app in your PC. At the bottom panel, you will see a setting gear icon. So just tap on that to open your user settings. Inside user settings, you will see an option like this. At the left panel, open the option Advanced. Now simply tap on the OK button. This will also change your hardware acceleration in Discord app. After which, go back to your main screen. Now again open Discord and go to Registered Games. Now from here you need to add a game. For that you need to name that game Google Chrome. After that, simply tap on Add Game. Then this kind of interface will be opened. Now here, as you can see, the Netflix has been opened. So this is how you can stream Netflix on Discord. I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.